Yes, guys, we are going to catch spikes like crazily now, and we're going to be looking at that place. Can you see this place? Though we're supposed to take the trades like 2-3 minutes ago, or okay, this is 5 minutes time frame. We're actually taking the signal from 5 minutes time frame, but we are not late. We are not late, so we're just going to take the trade now before it will start spiking, because definitely it's going to spike like crazy. We'll catch at least 3 or 4 spikes whenever these conditions are met. I just showed you that crossing, and I'll give you the setting to that to the strategy right away. Okay, very soon it will start spike. Okay, it just started spiking. It just started spiking. I'm telling you, that was a sniper entry, and we're going to catch up to like 3 or 4 spikes at least. Okay, yes, at least it's going to push up. Let's check time frame M1. Okay, yes, that's just one spike caught already. You are catching spike with this strategy on 5 minutes time frame M5. You are taking your signals on M5. You can actually trade with it catching spikes on M1, but I recommend M5. Okay, whenever the conditions are met, just as you can see. Okay, but you can also use it on M1 to catch spikes, and I'm going to be giving you the condition. It's actually the strategy, you know the settings already, but I'll still give you the settings afresh. But let's see how far we'll go with the spikes that we're about to catch. Okay, now please, if you are new on this channel, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button down below, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Right, it's still spiking, and we are going to catch more spikes. Okay, actually the indicator on indicator window 2, that is our RSI, is showing us that level that, oh, it's still spiking, but we're not mindful of the level because the market has actually been oversold, and we just caught 2 consecutive spikes now. 2 consecutive spikes. Have you seen it? Oh, that's great, that's great. So if you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Right, let's check higher time frame and see what is happening there. The market is also oversold on higher time frame, 15 minutes, the same thing. And if you look at the indicator window 2, the RSI is also at the oversold level. Okay, so let's see how the market will push up at least to the next resistance. That's the condition. There's a crossing between the moving average and, of course, the standard deviation, and then our relative strength index was at the oversold level, and that's why I started pushing up, just as you can see. Now we're looking at it getting to the 70 level. That is the relative strength index, but we might not record it then. We're just going to catch few spikes, and we are out of the market. We've caught 2 already. Let's see if we can catch some more. Okay, let's see if we can catch some more, and definitely we are going to catch some more. And I'll still give you just a very little back test. Don't forget, you are using this strategy to catch spikes on boom assets, boom indices, boom 1000, boom 500, and boom 300 when the conditions are met. Okay, let me give you the settings before we get back to the chart. Okay, then this is the stochastic oscillator. You can take a screenshot of it, and these are the levels, right? 75, 25, and 50. Okay, the stars is 4 pixels, color is black. Then on indicator window 1, still we have standard deviation. Okay, look at it here, and that's the indicator 2 we have on that indicator window 1. Let's see the parameters. Okay, look at the period. You can take a screenshot of it because this video is not going to be long. It's a wonderful, powerful spike catching strategy. It's a 2-way strategy anyway. Then the third indicator, there is the moving average period 12. These are the parameters. Just take a screenshot, and then we have indicator window 2, hour relative strength index. Just take a screenshot, just as you can see, and then let's get back to the chart. Let's get back to the chart and see if we have more spikes, if we've caught more spikes. Okay, oh, we've caught the 3rd one. Yeah, guys, it's really powerful. Whenever the conditions are met on M5, you see to that. This is 3 already. 1 2 3. Okay, we are good to go. We can close any moment from now. We can close the trade any moment from now. Remember, 1 2 3. That's great. But let's see if it doesn't spike in the next 2-3 minutes to give us the fourth one. Then we'll close and then I'll end the recording. I'll just give you a short back test right away. I'm gonna give you a back test so that you see how the whole thing works, right? Please, 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 I want to use this opportunity to remind you guys. I've actually been taking time. Oh, the fourth one, we've caught the fourth one. The fourth one just spiked, so we might be closing any moment from now. This is the fourth one. 4 already. We've got 4 spikes, okay, and we are good to go. I've actually not been uploading some strategies because, okay, let me give you the condition before I say what I want to say. Look at the condition. Look at the crossing there, right? Yes, look at the crossing there. The crossing actually took place on M1 too. Let's backtest and see, all right, where the conditions were met in previous market conditions. Okay, remember, this is the crossing, right? Okay, yeah, this is the crossing whereby the moving average cross the standard deviation. Okay, the standard deviation cross it from below, moving upwards. That's where you're supposed to take your trade, and the crossing has to be below 25 level. That is between 0 and 25 level, just as you can see, as I've just shown you. Let's see where the conditions were met as well in previous markets. Okay, just take a look at this place. The crossing took place there, and look at how the market, went bullish for a very long time. And this one may likely go that way, but we're not going to stay in the market for that long. We've got 4 spikes already with 0.5 lot size. Okay, now look at this place as well. The condition met here. Look at the moving average crossed, the standard deviation cross moving upwards, and then it sold. Sorry, I'm rushing the video because I don't want it to be that long. The condition met here as well. Look at the black standard deviation crossing the purple moving average from down, moving upwards, and then it spiked for a long time. So that's just it, guys. Let's see if you can see one more. If not, we'll go back and then let's see how it goes. Okay, now the whole of this place, there's one more place I'm going to show you. Look at it. Yes, look at this place. Okay, look at the crossing, look at the buy. Okay, it went bullish. It's all over the places. If you spot the conditions on M5, you are good to go. So feel free to leave your decent comment in the comment section of this video, and test this strategy out first on your demo. And is the strategy I uploaded the other time, and of course you can use it to trade ticks on boom 1000 most especially. But for catching spikes, you can use it on any of the boom indices, but for trading ticks, use it on boom 1000 especially. So we're going to be closing this trade now because on M1 our relative strength index is already at the overbought level, so it may descend for a while. So many thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.